Hello guys, welcome to the channel Rahman the Nomad. Today I'm showing you some aerial footages of GULED area within Garissa township. The building you see at the far end is Getune Primary, and I'm surprised I'm on top of a building, just a new building. I can see there's a lot of greenery within the town. This is the street around GULED. You can see vehicles on the ground, and there is a new structure under construction. Let me zoom in. This one is under construction. See Duji's shop, general stores, a few structures here, and at the far end we see Suuq, Muqdi. This is an open air market within Garissa town. If you can see at the end, it looks like a slum, but that is a market for that reason. And just next to it, you can see GULED East Africa Store Limited, a wholesale store. And then next to this, there is this hotel called Halugo Palace Hotel, the next story house. And on this other side, you can see the greeneries, trees, and houses and trees. Look at the extreme end. It's just like a forest, a green forest, but the houses are under this green looking. I'm on top of just an ongoing building. This is it. We are on top. Construction is undergoing. Just had to take the shot from this position, this angle, to give you a view of how this place looks like. You can see this is Halugo Palace from this other side, and I'm walking just on the sides of the building. So the building I'm on top of is a new building. Is yet to be completed. I just got the permission to get on top and do this. You can see the cars parked at the hotel. This is it. The building I'm on top of, I'm told will be taller than this Halugo Palace. So construction is still going on. Those you can see at the far end iron sheets. That is Suuq Muqdi open air market in Garissa. See people going on with their businesses on the ground. There is this container here. I think it is bringing some goods on the ground. I'm taking this from above. Okay. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this. If you enjoy this kind of videos, kindly subscribe for more. Thanks.